What's up, everybody? Can y'all hear me? If y'all can hear me, tell me. If not, let me know too. But I think there's a glitch with YouTube, man. Um, yup. I think there's a big glitch with YouTube. Um, yup. So I only have like 1 views here. I'm sure there's some sort of glitch. So, all right. If you guys can hear me, everything is good. Let me know so we can go ahead and start. And yeah, that's really it. So everything's good. Everything working well. Let's just go ahead and get it started. And let me get my earphones plugged. Or you know what? Beforehand. Alright, let me plug my earphones. Let me get that quick. Can hear, that's good, that's good. Go quickly. Go ALS up 2 stages MT after manipulation consolidation 1 hour. Let me check. Bum 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 bum. Each O. I'll just wait for the hourly closure. I'll just wait for this hourly closure here. Where's 6 a.m.? Look at that 6 a.m. here. So this candle doesn't really support expansion. So I gotta wait anyway. Anyways, I gotta wait. So, or seems like, oh no. Yeah, anyways, I gotta wait. I'm gonna form a gap here, form like in 1 stage and continue. So I'm not really gonna rush it here. And yeah, how many people are here, by the way? It says that I have 0 viewers. I'm sure there's some sort of glitch. Because Trader Kane is live streaming right now, and I entered this live stream and I was like, what the fuck, you only have 5 views? And I'm sure there's some sort of issue. And now also with like 0 views here, so yeah, 100% there's a glitch. What's up? Hola amigos. Hola hermanos. Estas noches. Alright, so there was actually a beautiful trade here at the lows. There was that initial move, there was that second move, but that was not the one I took. I took this one, and I got out of break even. I fucking got swept. I got edged here, so close, and then I was like, you know what? Let me move my stop to break even, and it fucks me up. Yup, it literally fucked me up. Boom, took me out of break even and didn't run. This is literally the exact same shit that happened on gold. I was gonna take this entry, but oh my god, bro, I remember. Oh my god, literally. Here, this one, I was gonna take this M5. And I put 2 contracts because this is only $6 of stop. So it will give me like $66. So I was like, let me risk 120. And I forgot that I'm only allowed to go with 1 contract. I did 2. I saw the issue and I was like, okay, let me check it out later on because I was on my phone and then price was somewhere in here. Just like shit. So yep. Break even for a day. As you guys know, I'm sharing the account with y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Show you guys the account balance. Let me just go ahead and go on to starting soon so we can see if we can pass this account together. If not, you guys can unsubscribe the channel. Alright, so we go to the main. Alright, go back. So if you guys see here, come on, Trader V, can you load it up, please? Alright, so we're still at 25k, 25 and 600, so we're up $600 on the account. I'm down $5 for the day because of the break evens. So if we see the ones that I got, there is no trading. Why there's no trading data? Oh, but no, never mind. Let me just go to M&Q. It will show the executions. All right, got in here. Do you guys see? Got in at the retest. Got taken out of fucking break even. Boom, TP. Gold. Gold will not pop up here. So we go to gold. Again, same shit. I got in here. And why did I move my stop to break even? Because we kind of failed to this place above this level here. And this was the new 15-minute candle. This was a new 15-minute candle. This was the high of that previous M15 candle. So let me just replay price here. Show you guys. as you guys can see, we traded above that high and then we kind of reversed off of it. We traded above this high and we started like running to the downside, and I'm also like failing to see IC, so I was like, let me move my stop to break even. I got taken out, I fucked around for a bit. Then we got this M5 entry. I think it's supposed to show the data here, to show that I had a, what is it called? A limit here, and then price kind of traded into it. And yeah, just fucking ripped to the upside. It was 2R there, so that could have been like a clean 2R. There was a level here, by the way. It was a 30-minute level. It was a 30-minute high that I was targeting. 5 minutes on the call, it's still there. I don't remember. I think it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this high. Yeah, because this is a little bit far from the extreme, so I was like, you know what, let me just secure myself here. I think it was this one. I'm not sure. No, not this one. It was higher. That was a little bit higher, but I'm not sure what it was. Let's see. Let me see it. Was it an M15 high? I'm not sure, bro. I don't know. I don't know where I was targeting, man. I forgot. Oh no! Oh, what the fuck? Wait, let me go to M5. Check indices. Yeah, we'll do in a sec, bro. But for now, I'm not gonna trade. I still got like 25 minutes. But yeah, by 2R it was here. But I think there's some sort of issue with this chart. I'm sure there's some sort of problem with this chart. Yep, I knew it. Yeah, MJC is fucked up. Yep, it was this high. It was this high here. Okay, now I see. It was here. It was literally this high here. This high here. Actually, this one. Yep, this is what I. Especially that I kind of traded above the high, but I actually targeted this level here. Yeah. But for MGC, since I was just on my phone, I saw the level on GC, and then I just kind of like took the price from here, and then I put it here. So the TP was like around 80, 580 or some shit like that, or 570 something. And then yeah, so that was it. Anyways, now we go to indices. We do that quick analysis again. Hopefully, we'll see if we can take a trade today. And look at that shit. Let me see what's going on here. So far, we've literally just been opening high. So this is that daily open here. This should be a daily open. Now this BSP at the lows, which doesn't really matter now. Price has already expanded away from it. So do I want to like trade the retracement back? I would actually, but for the time being, we're not really trading into any relevant swing here. So there's no key level that we're kind of trading away from. Let's check the hourly. Yeah, there's nothing really. So I would only be interested if we kind of like see ISD here, then that will be confirmed like the potential high of day, and then we can catch like some sort of reversal or some sort of failure to manipulate with like a one stage. You can like trade back into there are no gaps here. Like the first gap is here, all the way down here, so we can still anticipate price to kind of trade lower because there is nothing really here that would cause price to kind of like retrace for something. Let me see the 30 minutes if that will be the case. Yep. Like at least you can trade into this level here. There's that gap. So where's the tiny gap already traded into it? So I think we can still like retrace back into like the EQ of the range here. Like we can get to somewhere in here, like maybe this level here. So now we're CISDing, but we don't have any SMTs, which is not good. Ideally, you want to have some sort of cracking correlation here. There's nothing really, like if you really check. There was also another trade here. There was an M15 swing. It was an clean M15 swing here. This one. But I did not really take it due to the fact that there was no cracking correlation. And I was gonna go for this level here. If you see this wick, it swept this level here. So I was gonna go for this high here. That's my TP. And that would give like easy 2R. Like that could have been like, yeah, easy 3R, but I did not take it due to the fact that there was no cracking correlation there. So that was the reason I did not take it. So for the time being, we gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and we'll see how this 4-hour candle also closes. For the current 90-minute, it's just open for like 38 minutes here. It's also expanding, so it was about to be a PSB. YM is still lagging asset, so that would be good. Again, if we fail to manipulate this level here on NQ, we might have a clean trade on YM to kind of catch up for that same low. If you really check this high here, which is that same low, not high. We have this SMT here, which is like the only thing. That's what I kind of wanted to trade away from. That's where I got my entry. Not really. Not really. It was not this one. It was beforehand. Anyways, so we can trade YM as the lagging asset if NQ fails to manipulate, or with like a clean gap, we can just trade the universal model into the low. So that would be really it. Like straightforward. There are no complications there and stuff like that. I think price has already expanded on all assets for the day. So, oh, look at that shit. That shit just expanded. Wow. See it hourly. Whoever said it's two-stage recapitulation, shout out to you, man. For gold, same shit, man. Like, we just traded into a level. We traded into a key level. But again, just look at the range. Look at the current range. So, ideally, you want to trade back a retracement, or wait for a retracement to have a gap here. So, let me see if I have an SMT fail. We do for a time being. We do have this SMT fail here. So, let me take that up. So, we have this SMT fail. Let's see if we're going to see some continuation here to the upside, because the previous 4 hour is already bullish. So ideally if this candle doesn't form the reversal and price wants to reverse lower, then this is what it will do. It will open high and trade into the key level and then start reversing lower. But if this one, like if in case this 4 hour candle doesn't form the reversal, but it does form, if it did actually form, we can just like trade at least into like this 2 a.m. low, or maybe into the daily open. But yeah, let's see if this candle is gonna form the reversal or not. Silver is already reversing. It flipped bearish already, so I'm just cleaning up my charts here. It's a little bit messy. So yeah, and we have like this SMT here, like this fat ass SMT. So I might have like a 2-stage PSP here on silver. So ideally, I want to take silver. Ideally, like at least to the gap to this. We have like a lean 4 hour gap here, so that would be really good. If not, you can take it back into like a daily open. So let me see how the hourly is closing. Let me check. What? Okay. Oh wow, that shit is good. It's good looking. Okay. So I might have a proper trade here. And also we have a strength switch. Beautiful. I have a strength switch here. Okay. So we could have actually traded like this 9 a.m. candle. But I don't trade it yet. Not I don't trade it, but let me see if there was a setup anyways. I was not on the chart. Oh wow, there was actually a trade here. But I was not on the chart at 9 a.m. I was a little bit beforehand. I was at like 8. Increase your volume. Can you guys hear me now? Is it better? Let me check. Oh, I think the MIDI is a little bit higher. Let me check. Let me get that out of the way. Can you guys hear me now? And let me check the chat, bro. The daily range on NSC is far too extended. Nothing quite exactly. You have more views than. No, I think it's just something going on with the live streams, man. The only trade today was the continuation long today in gold from Asia. I took the same gold, man. Chicken, that's good. Chicken NSC is alright. Are you waiting for the new? Yeah, exactly. Like and thank you, man. Increase your volume. Yes, volume is low. Volume too low, bro. I know a live stream, but I don't really get what GxT logic is. I see everything on TW, but I don't. TWX is what you mean, like this channel. Start with the fractal model by GT. Okay, perfect. GC understood them basically. I'm long, bro. Increase your volume. Still low. Yeah, we can hear. Can you guys hear me now? Is it better? If it's better now, let me know, so I can increase it properly. Increase it a bit. Okay. Now better? Let me check what's going on here. Yeah, better and clear. Okay. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay. So let's get this started. Let's get this continued or resumed or whatever. Okay. So for the time being, silver is really clean. There was a clean straight switch here actually, which I'm not sure if somebody took it or not, but it was actually clean. This straight switch here. We have this SMT here. That's the first stage, and then we have this second stage here. And this candle literally just opened high. There are no gaps here, so at least I would have been targeting like this low, at least. Or to R, or static to R. So let me see what price did. Oh wow, this is that perfect scenario. first candle opens high, close, we form a gap, entry, stop at the body, and then you could. But I would have probably got taken out of break even, bro, because I'm so fucking. I fucking trail so hard, so that's something I gotta work on, man. So that could have been like E2R, like at least for the low. Oh wow, that was clean actually. That was really good. But let me see if I could have taken it. Let me see. With my account. What would the stop be at least? 3,405. That's actually reasonable for a $800 win, which I cannot. I can only do 750 max for the day. But that's perfect. Nice. Okay. 2 break evens on 1 miss. That's alright. Wow, look at CL. Fuck's it. Holy. Interesting. Alright, so we have to wait for 10 a.m. here. We gotta wait for 10 a.m. here. Let me see a 4 hour. Can we do... Let me see if... Okay, the internet's still good. Okay. Yes. Alright, seems like we're gonna get a C2 here. Okay. But there are no SMTs again. There's only one stage, which is the potential PSP. That's it. Like, it's only the PSP. Let me change the color. It's not the cleanest. It's not really cleanest. Let me check. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll raise over the volume a little bit. Is the audio still good? If you guys can still hear me well, that's good, because I had to tweak some things here. Alright. Probably gonna do it like a bit red. Okay, I'll just keep it red. What is that? What is that? Okay. So for the time being, we only have this PSP here. So, is it enough? Not really, but let's see. Let's see what we have. Again, this is the current hive day. No SMGs for the time being, so just gotta wait here. 4 hour on gold. Let me see what's going on here. Alright, seems like we're setting up for the reversal here. Okay, let me get my Spotify ready. Let me do this. Alright, so for the time being, I'm not really yeah. CL would be really the play for me. We have a PSP. We don't really have a just PSP. Again, just HO is a lagging asset. It's just to kind of align itself and to reverse. This is the only level it can do it from. So again, this is the lagging asset. Even though like it was the leading asset, now it's the lagging asset. So and we have an SMT break here. So I would still anticipate at least HO to get to that high. I don't think we have enough time to go to the upside. Again, Paul is speaking at I think 11:30. So yep. No, not 11. Holy shit. 10:30. So in half an hour, in like 42 minutes. So if we position ourselves before that, then yeah, I'll probably like if for example I got in somewhere in here, I got in here and the price is somewhere in here, I would move my stop to break even. So even if price like wants to fuck around, I'll just get taken out of break even, or I'll get like some sort of slippage, but it wouldn't be that hard because the account is demo. So most likely there will be no slippage there. So not demo, you guys know like the funded accounts are not real accounts. So yeah. That's the beauty of it. You can take advantage of what's going on. Alright, hopefully we'll not get slapped. Again, but we'll see if we'll be in the trade right there, man. So we got 17 likes on 5 viewers. I wonder how many viewers we have. Let's do the math. If you guys can hear me, can type one in the chat and I'll start counting. Alright, let me see. Doesn't really change. Let me see. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. So I think yeah, that reversal might be confirmed here with the hourly here, and also the 4-hour PSP. But I don't think it's a PSP anymore. Yeah, it's not a PSP anymore. Let me check with the. Let me put gold here. Let me put gold here, and then we're gonna go put, what is it called? Euro. Let me check. Alright, so we do have a. Alright, so we do have a PSP here. Okay. Oh wow, look at gold. It's still bullish. Okay, so even if gold now flips, if it stays bullish, silver is already bearish, so we'll have a PSP. And if this one kind of flips bearish, I think Euro or GBP might stay big bullish. Yeah, in the next 8 minutes, I don't think price is gonna do. So let's see. Oh wow, let me get that out of the way. Or you know, let me just get this here. All right. And that's good. Just we kind of trade into the level. Now we're kind of reverse. At least I can anticipate to trade back into like this gap here. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Then my minute. My minute is also such an interesting time frame here. Alright, so even if you want to enter here, it's just straight expansion, so I wouldn't really take a trade here and put stop here. So, yeah. We gotta wait here anyways until 10, and then we're gonna start the analysis over again. But to be honest, ideally, what I really want to see is just a continuation higher. That's really what I want to see. To trade back into this gap here. That we kind of left it open. So, we formed the low of day from a PSB. There is no cracking correlation there, I think. Even if it's like with a cracking correlation of like from 2008, so it doesn't really matter. What I want to see, just this, like this, with an hourly swing here, or some sort of 2-stage, or a strength switch, boom. Take it for the current high of day, or to fill this gap. Hourly. Yeah, we're not reversing off of nothing really, so let's see. We might see this, I think we might see this here, and the second stage would be something like this. And for NQ, maybe to have something like that. That would be good. And then I might be willing to trade the one that sets up the cleanest. But overall, I might take NQ. YM. Even though like NQ would be the stronger for that moment, but overall, YM looks a bit stronger. If you really check here, again, like this candle, form a higher high, this one lower high. So like overall, this seems like the stronger. So even though like it'll be the one forming the failure swing, but with the strength switch, yeah, it just kind of neglected. Just like a trade here today that was on RB. Was it on RB? I forgot. No, I take that off. I was planning to take this one, but let me show you out. I was waiting for this here. I wanted to take some sort of retest on this opposing candle and put my stop at this candle. But yeah, it just dumped. It did not really give an entry. This was confirmed. This confirmed the CIC. No retracement back until the draw got hit. So let me get this out of the way. I think the strength switch was somewhere in here. I'm not sure, but it was somewhere in here. So we'll check it out later on. What's up, Chinese Moroccan? What's up, man? What's up? I forgot your nationality, bro. Wait. I forgot, but you live in Turkey. I still remember that. But I forgot your nationality, man. I was gonna call you your nationality Turkish. Not line me up, man. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what's popping here. Oh wow. Listen. See you Alright, so for CL, please give me like a 1-stage cracking correlation That would be fucking good. Oh, we do have already. Fei Shanghao. Fei Shanghao is really good in Chinese, so really good. That's interesting. Okay, let me give it a try. Let's see if I can get CXT there. Okay, we're going with this one, baby. All right, are we getting 2R? I think we might. Let me try. Let's see. Wait a minute. Fuck. Just like the song. wait. All right, so let's get this started. Let me get this one. I'll have to extend it a little bit beyond the high, so to get like that 2R. All right, so that would be the trade, boys. All right. Oh well. Oh yeah. Just forget about NCs. I'm going with CL here. Listen. Oh, that's the high. Holy. What the fuck is wrong? No. Something is wrong. This is MCL. CL is not supposed to have this fat ass wick. Right? Yeah. There's something off. Just like gold, man. Just like the example with gold today. Alright, let me give it a try. Let's give it a shot. Let's see how much I'll be risking with like 390. Go back. Go back to MCL. Alright, let's see how much. I'll risk like one. I know I'll keep it 200. 200 is good. But I'll have to keep CL here. Let me do one thing here. I'm gonna open CL. So the stop is 41, right? Let me make sure if the stop will be also here 41. Okay, 41. So we'll have to go for 82 for a TP. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna get that or not. Or even if we see the closure, man, that would be fucking. That would be better, man. Like if this candle closed and then we form another stage here. Oh my god, bro. From higher to weaker, some sort of strength switch. Holy. From stronger to weaker to allow HO to allow like HO to catch up to that same high because it's a little bit far away from it. Or RB. Oh my god, bro. That would be good. But this high here is, yeah. So let's see. So I got my alert there. I'll have another one here. So either way, I'll be prepared. Let me check the chat. I'm Somali. Yep. Now I remember. NSC's got to the 4 hour. Yep. I might come for China for masters. And yeah, for sure, man. It's good. What is somebody got a legion? Oh, okay. They're talking their language here. All right. I'm gonna stay on the sideline for this one. Question from Mazal. Holy. This silver was fucking good. It was fire, man. This silver short? Wow. Unfortunately. But no worries. CL is gonna pay us here, I'm sure. And if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and do so. That would really help the channel grow. And also, will give me the motivation to stream every day. And the goal for April is to get to 2100. Oh, now I see. Look, channel analytics and everything is okay. So now I'm sure there's some sort of issue with YouTube. The analytics are not there, so yeah. I cannot even see how many subs I have. So yeah, there's something off there for sure from YouTube. They gotta hire me, man. I'm a software engineer, so I can fix their shit. All right, can we see a second stage here? Which I think we will. Yeah. Let's see. It's 1.9. Thank you, man. Cheers. Alright, so we have another fucking extreme second stage here. Look at that. Okay, that's good. So we'll be taking our entries here. So I'm just gonna do one here. Let's see if we're gonna. If not, we're gonna farm me swing at the end of the day. All right, let's see if we can. Please, gold, please. What you can do for me is retrace, keep that gap open, let Powell do whatever the fuck he wants, and then form that second stage. Or just one stage is enough. Like, one stage is really enough for me. This is lower. If you put on a higher high, that would be a second stage. That would be a strength switch. That would be beautiful, man. So we gotta wait. Okay, now we're gonna go with 3 contracts. Since the stop is getting smaller. It was 41, now 32. 32 points. So go with like 3 contracts? No, go with like 5. Go with 6. 7? Yeah, I might go with 7 contracts there. Gold getting chopped. Getting clapped. How you know? I know what. What are you eating? Sunseed flour. Is it sunseed flour? Flour sunseed or I don't know, bro. This. Let me get my microphone back. Sunflower seed. Yep, I think yeah. I got it on the wrong way. You hitting SL, bro. Thank you. Gap fill on gold and silver? Yep, there is on the M15. That's the one that I just checked, but unfortunately, there's nothing really to CIC from. This level to CIC from is like the target, so I wouldn't take it anyways. I would like to see like a deep retracement. Because like we're trading at the extreme. Like if you take the range, this is like what E-phase does. Like we're trading at the extreme discount. If you take the current range too, extreme discount. So, yeah, just gotta wait here for a sec. And you'll be like, oh, we're trading at the extreme here. That's true. But we have at least another stage here on the 30-minute. And that would allow us with the CIZ to get 2R to the high. So, that's the difference. Oh, I like that song that is going on here in the background. Travis Scott, Kodak Black, Offset. It's good. Bro, can you tell what GxT logic? Yeah. It's T-Trace fractal model with 4-hour profiling. That's it. You take T-Trace fractal model and you try to profile the low or high of that expansion candle. That's really it. I don't know if that makes a point. Metals 15-minute gap fill. Yup. But oh, let me check silver. Yeah, same with silver, man. Like this is ideal scenario. This is the model that I used to trade as the fair to manipulate. This, but the drawn liquidity is here. I might like try to extend it to this low here because I just see a bunch of failure swings. Let me see if we do that. If we're gonna get like some sort of 2R there, which I'm sure we won't. But let's see if we can. If we get a gap, then we'll be able to put our stop here, so we can enter somewhere in here. So let's see. Do you ever take 1 minute CSD? Nope. Alright, so gold confirmed the CID, actually. Let's see. Let's see if we can trade the... No. Gotta wait here. You teach, bro? Teach what? Okay. So I would be willing to take this one. We got a MCL here. What the fuck? What just happened? Oh, this is the hourly. I'm like, shit, when did that happen, bro? I was like, what the fuck? I remember, if you guys remember, there was a trade I took on CL. It literally did this to my stop, and it went higher because I put my stop at 10. So now I have trauma, bro. I'm traumatized with these body stops. So I'll actually extend it a little bit here, just like that 2R. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get that trade or not. Hopefully it doesn't teach your model, bro. I'm live trading. I cannot teach you while I'm trading. If we get a trade and we finish the day, yeah, of course. That's what I usually do. That's why I'm here. Alright, price just fucking around. Let me do a Paul's speech here live. Let me check if we can see it live. Paul's speech live. Live streams that starts at 10:30. Okay. So we can figure. Oh wow, look. Bro, what the fuck? There's just a bunch of traders here. Paul said sell, buy, go, stock. Holy shit. Sell guys, long Ethereum. What the fuck? Alright, so we'll be here back at Speaks at Harvard. But I don't think that would have any effects on the market. I don't know, man. Will it? It's speaking at the university. But we'll see. I'm not sure. Alright, so price is just retracing deeper into the lag. It's good and at the same time not good. Oh no, actually I like it. Actually I like it. Let me see RB. RB looks more correlated for today than each O. Alright, that's good. So look at that. Silver traded above the high. Oh, not silver. CL traded above the high. So now CL is stronger, so we're gonna get some sort of strength switch. That would be good, and we can trade the lagging asset, the leading asset or the lagging asset. Due to the fact that I cannot trade RB due to the account size, so we might have to force a trade on CL. So let's see. Oh wow. We almost do have a CISD here. Let me take out the prisoner smoke point. But I don't like this candle. M5. Come on. Come on. Yo, come on. Wake up. Alright, so we still got like 4 minutes for the candle close, which is good. And also look at that. Look at what silver is forming. Isn't that so good? We trade above the high. We'll have a new CISD here. that would allow us to take the trade with like a bigger range. So that's a lot better. So let me just put my indicator there, the alert. All right. So far, there's nothing to take. NSC is just fucking around, man. Ain't nothing going on. YM longs? Nah, bro. I wouldn't be interested in indices at all. At least for the next hour. Alright, let me check the M15. So far we have this. Are we gonna form a strength switch? That would be good. Higher, lower, and then higher. And that would also allow gold to kind of like break out of this current range here. We're kind of just ranging between this high and this low. So it would kind of be like a sweep of that. Consolidation high to then consolidation low. So that would be good. Dun, 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 dun. 30-minute form gap. 30-minute form gap. In what triad? Which triad? What's your name, Michael Jackson? That's a good one. My name is Sharaf. CHARAF-EDDINE. If you can remember this, congrats. Sharafdin is my name. Oh, now we'll just have extra work here. Okay. Metal. 30-minute. But still, we need the candle close, man. We need the candle closure. We're forming a gap, but we're still got like 17 minutes. So that's why we're focusing for the time being on the M15, since it's the only time frame that would give us a closure soon. Mystery Fine. That's an Arab name, yes. I'm from Morocco. Sharafuddin. Yes. But with C, and Deen is like... Yeah. Oh, Rabstan. Oh my, shout out to my brother. And this in Chinese. Cha, it's cha, it means tea. It's sound like that. I don't remember the character exactly, but yeah, it means tea, so you guys can take. And if somebody here from any Arab country, مغرب اسمه مغربي هذا منين كتبتي ديك مغرب بحال هكاك انت مغربي اصلا. Yes, I'm Moroccan. If we have two stage the love indices, would you take YM? Yeah, probably I would prefer YM overall. But let's see. We're forming this fat ass gap here, so. And we have the 90-minute closure in around 16 minutes, so just gotta wait here. Berber or Arab? No, I cannot. I love Moroccan Darija. Nice. We got 26 likes, nice. I'm wondering how many viewers we have. Of course it's not 6. I'm not sure. Good. I think since we have 26 likes, I think at least we'll have like 40 here, or 45, or 50. And if for everybody that listens, can you push the like button to see like how many likes we can get, so we can estimate how many viewers are here, because there's something going on with YouTube. Are you using the ES chart? Yeah. But there's YM. It's here already. Oh, that's so true. That is so true, my brother. That's so true. Shout out. You know what, like, even though like it's still stronger, but yeah, shout out. That's good. Why you don't use 1 minute CIC? Because I don't want to blow my account. It's quite super risky for me. Yeah, RB would be better, but I cannot take that. Like now it's setting up. Let me try. Let me give it a try. Let me see. Oh my god. Let's do RB here. 3 minutes. Like, let's give it a try. Let's see how much I'll be risking here. At least 300, 400. I can't. So that's why I'm not really like paying attention to it. So yeah. I've got good friends from Maghreb, Marrakesh and Tangier. Nice. Where are you from, by the way? And I'm from Marrakesh, by the way. My city is Marrakesh, but I don't live in Morocco. Yeah, look at RB, man. Like RB is always the best. If you check when I was trading that 25 to 50k accounts, I was taking RB. But now you just can't because it's literally 50% of the whole overall drawdown. So yeah. CLCISD, but I haven't heard any alerts yet. Yeah, it's not yet. I'm from Marrakesh and still live there, by the way. Hello, brother. جيما كوكا باغي المعلم. عندك حساب كدير اللاجة ديالي. عقل داون. عقل المدينة العريقة ديالي. I'm kid from Kurdistan. I'm Kurd from Kurdistan, bro, but I was in Marrakesh and nice. Very good. Il grande poto. Il grande poto باغي poto. Nice. Oh. Dun dun. All right, let's see the 15-minute. I'm gonna form a second stage at the word GPP. Oh, this. Oh, okay. No, forget about it. Okay, so I think Silver is gonna deliver here. Let's give it a try. وديما كوكا بناضي يا شيري. كاسة M06. إلا مافيا ديال السود. You know Kurdistan? Not really, but I know. I don't know if it's near Tajikistan or I'm not really sure. Or near Iran? I don't know, man. I'm not sure. I might be tripping. Let me check. Kurdistan. It's near what? Oh yeah, okay, it's near Iran. Okay, that's good. Yeah, because I think there. Is it near Iran? Bro, my geography is bad. But I think Kurdistan, Great Kurdistan, roughly. It's near Iraq. Okay, that's good. So you guys speak also Arabic, right? Kurdish, Arabic, Persian, Turkish, Tazagorani. Nice. Main languages. Do you speak them all? Do you speak them all? Wow, if you do, that's really impressive, man. All right, CL. He's having some balls here. He's trying to do his thing. And we're gonna put silver here too. So you know what? We're either gonna blow the account today or let me try silver. Let me see if I can take like a entry on silver. Forget about it. I'm too broke for silver. That's not a country, bro. Yeah, Kurds are. Oh wait, it's not a country. I don't know, man. I'm just like, you know. But he is from it. All right, let me take this one here. I have to play with the stop a little bit. You know what? I'd rather be safe than sorry. Try to go for a little bit higher. Oh, that's not a little bit. That's too much. All right, let me see how much I'll be risking. Let's go with chart contracts here. Yeah, we do, but we're so close to the draw. That's the problem. We're so close to the low that we might have some sort of retracement that would take me out of break even. So I wouldn't really be just anticipating that we're just gonna like blow through the low. So yeah, it's somewhat of irrelevant swing. Like look at this space between them. So that's why I'm preferring silver overall, because by the time, as you see, this one traded into their own liquidity, right? So now it would allow silver to catch up to that same low. If we see now prices failing to CIC, so now we're not gonna catch up. If we see that CIC right now, then yeah, then I would be willing to trade it. I'll go to M5. Let me see if there's a cleaner changing state. Nope. So we gotta stick with the M3 here, and we can try to figure out how to do and to enter this trade here with the like $200 stop. Let me see. I can't. 350. That's the minimum. 350. Let's see. Let's see if we have like a clean closure. We kind of risk it for the biscuit. I mean, short on gold is MTO silver. Maybe I was too quick, but the trade, I'm not gonna judge it, but based off this own liquidity, I would not really take it because this would cause some sort of retracement. Look at silver. Once you traded below the low, silver started expanding a little bit higher. So I'm still waiting for silver here to give that CISD or to form another stage here or form a new swing to show some sort of fair to make play, so we can trade the liking asset into that same draw, which is supposed to be here, but I will just go for here. If you look on hourly, come on. That's too slow. Okay. Below this low, are we gonna reverse out of anything here? Not really. We have a gap here, so that's why we're not really target. Same for gold. This low is within a gap, so this low might be a reversal point because we have this gap here. So that's how I'm looking at it. And if it just continues lower, that's good. Let me do, what is it called? Let me do power speech. Power speech up. Open brave. Brave here. I think this. Wait. Okay, they got 4 million stops. Okay. Half the dead. I don't know what does that mean. Anyways. Yeah, where are you from, Bud? Okay, so we got 30 likes. Wow, interesting. really good. 30-minute. Let's see what's going on here with 30-minute. Let me turn on the PSP here. Just be aware of what's going on. Okay. Oh, so HO is bullish for the time being? HO is still bullish? It is. Let me see HO. Alright, so we do have like this. I think what's gonna be the trigger is literally HO trading below this low. I think this is gonna be the trigger. Look at that, we have V gap, V low. Trade into the gap, trade into the low. Reverse, reverse. HO probably might reverse from here, start expanding lower. CL will be taking out all these highs. That's an idea. You never know what's gonna happen. So let's see. Let's give it some time. Let's let price do what it wants to do. Let's take that off. And even if I want to take like some sort of shorts, there's nothing here. So. And I like this level. These are the types of levels that I like to have a CISD from. So Pakistan. Check Naz. I forgot about it, man. Yeah. This is for the next at least hour. No, not like at least this current 4-hour candle, I guess. Oh man, there's nothing here. All right, let me check. Oh, whoa, what the fuck is that? That shit, holy shit, bro. That shit was max volume, what the fuck? I thought it's some sort of war is going on. What the fuck, man? Holy shit. Alright, is this non-copyrighted content? Oh, let me take that. Alright. Bro, these students are too fucking noisy. Holy shit. Alright. Do I want to really trade this? Not really, man. When did you start learning GxT? When it first came out. When it first came out. I was in the market lens back then, so. Alright, HO is so close to that low. I think we might have, just like silver. We might have like this new candle opening low, open low, CISD. You can trade this level here to the high. But we'll have to take CL here. 15-minute PSP and NQ. It doesn't really matter, man. For me, it doesn't matter. Also, 30 minutes is a PSP, but it doesn't. How price is forming and stuff like that. It's not the cleanest for me, so that's not something I would be interested in trading. Like, let's look at the 3-minute. That's not something I would be interested to trade. Like, even we have a 30-minute PSP, right? That's a 30-minute PSP, I guess. Let me check. ES. Is that a PSP or not? YM. Not really. N15. I think in the N15 because of that fat ass wick. But yeah, now we have the second stage. Like, we have the second stage here. YM looks a lot cleaner. Like, if you want to take a trade, YM is just a lot better. But will we have something that sets up cleanly? I'm not sure. But let's put on alert here. Let's just have it marked out there. Do we have a gap on M15 on YM? Let me check. Not really. So we don't have like we don't have an SMT fill here. We only have this 2-stage PSP with this high here. Oh, interesting. 90 minutes opening soon, right? 90 minutes just opened a minute ago. Okay. Now it's becoming a little bit attractive. Now let's see. All right. So gold, just fucking around. I think we're gonna farm the second stage here. Yeah. Or we might have like a 1 stage 30 minute here. Yeah, that 2 stage BSP. I think we might get a 2 stage BSP here on a 30 minute. So let me just take that to the upside here. We put it at the high. Okay. So let's see. HO CL is also like reversing, but I'm not really gonna trade it. Yeah, it just retraced too much. RV, trade it lower. Yeah, there are no correction correlation there, so we just gotta wait for the time being. Let me see. Oh, we do have a 2 stage BSP here. Okay. 3 minute. The new 90 minute candle open now. Let me see how this 90 minute candle closed. 3 minute. Come on, can you load quickly, please? Can you load quickly, please? I think I will go with like some sort of M5 here. This 3 minutes is like tiny. This is super tiny, man. I cannot really trust this one. Like this is a lot cleaner. But we have another CISD here that we can filter reverse from. That we can filter CISD. So I'll just be patient here and go for this M5 CISD here. Or this 3 minute CISD here, because it will allow me to get 2R quite easily. But if I go with the M5, yeah, I'll just have a bigger stop. So windfall is coming. I'm not sure, man. It's supposed to be now, so it wouldn't really take effect on the market, man. It's just speaking at a university. I don't think that there's nothing interesting there that would. Yeah, it's late for the meeting, so if it really mattered, it would show up on time. So. Alright, so far we do have the CIC. Let me see how much I'll be risking if I take like one contract here just to give it a shot. Oh, fuck you, ACL. Alright, let's give it a quick try. Let's $26. It's nothing, so. But this is what I'm waiting for. This. Okay. Okay. Take this shit out of the way. Okay. Let's take this serious. I'll go with 4 contracts here. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so we have silver sitting up. Ideally, we want to see this SMT fail, this 2-stage SMT fail to trade back into the low. Like now you can trade back into this and this. Like one of them is just like, it's going to give you 2R most likely than not. But if you take this CISD here, if price just ended up expanding higher with no pause, and then yeah, we'll have to go for this one to get that 2R. So let's see. So first trading idea. YM is also looking interesting here, so I might be willing to give it a shot. Yeah, with that 2-stage BSP there, so yeah, it could be willing to. Let me put this black. Or let me just keep it blue. Like I would be willing to actually trade into this low here, maybe. Okay, wow, YM is reversing. Let me see if I'll take it like this. Object 3, 420. Yeah, we'll have to go to MY in here. Oh wow, chill. Alright, we'll give it like 100 bucks of risk, since it's not the highest probable trade. So 4 seconds, what the fuck? Oh wow, let me since this is more interesting, I'll go with 4 contracts here. Is it? Okay, let's give like a 1 shot here. Let's give like a 1 shot. Sell. Okay. Alright. Yo, see ya, come on. Alright, gotta put it CSD here. Oh my days, man. Alright. Alright, seems like I'm gonna take a stop on YM. Just for trying out. But how much? Oh, whoa, bro. One contract is fucking huge on YM. How much? 43 the bucks? Okay, it doesn't matter. It looked as if it's like a lot bigger than 43 bucks. Alright, let's blow the account today, boys. Let me put a buy here. Okay, forget about YM. Let's see. CL. Come on, CL. Bro, you took YM. Yeah, just for fun. Bro, fuck's sake, man. Come on. Come on, CL. Don't fuck around like that. Fucking missed me with a tick. But I think we're forming a beautiful gap here, so... Yeah, by the time we form the gap, I'll have a new entry. I'll have a new entry that looks just like that. Bro, yo, chill, dog. That looks just like that. So that will be a lot better. So I'll be able to risk 6 contracts. Oh my god, bro. Come on, man. Let's see why I am. The one that I did not want to take and I just fucked around. Let me see. Did we get a closure in the first place? Yeah, we did. Let me check YM. Did we get a closure on YM or not? Fuck no. Alright, doesn't matter. Okay. Bro, that YM trade is for me just to give it a try. I did not even know how much I risked. I just hit it. It just looked clean on the lower time frame. Because the N15 two-stage BSP. So okay, I got taken out 40 bucks there. But this is the trade. In the next 23 seconds, if we end up leaving this gap open, I'll go with 6 contracts here. And I'll put my stop here. Alright, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go with 6 here. Bro, come on. Hey. CL, tag me in, please. Like, even if I get taken out, that's alright. Like, it was an idea. And let me see. Why? Okay. Why am I haven't been taken out yet? Come on, bro. That ain't looking good. Okay, let me turn up the mic. I'm still here patiently waiting. Hopefully. I don't regret not hitting any market execution. Hopefully. Hopefully I don't regret it. Hopefully. Alright. I just mentioned I don't regret and then started pushing higher. Okay. Let me see why I am. Okay. This is the worst closure you ever get. Like, you need a closure like this. That you could see it, like, even if you're like doing your chart like that. Oh my god, bro. Oh my days. Oh my god, bro. For fuck's sake. Please, CL. Pavel is speaking. Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. Alright. But I still believe in CL. I still believe in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, now, do you know what CL is doing now? Because it knows that my brain might tell me, oh, move stops to break even, so it will take me out and go. But now, instead of taking me out and going, it will tag me in and go. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Let's wait. I believe CL is having something there for me that might be beneficial for me. So, let's see. As long as we haven't traded above the high, we good to go. That's it. We just gotta wait. Get on the M5? Nah, bro. My stop will be like so high up in the leg. Let me see. With like the body. I mean, it's not too bad. Let's see. Let's see. We got 2 minutes. Let's wait and see. Let me see what YM is doing. Okay. Okay, so I think YM is gonna pay us here. They're gonna give us like 40 bucks. Plus $1. Okay. Okay, plus 3. Okay. Alright, not too bad. Alright, let me go back to MCL. Okay, I think I'm jinxing it. YM is going, yeah, bro. It's just sometimes life just likes to give you these tests. Bro, shit. Yeah. Now I'm sure CL is gonna tag me in and take me out at the same time. We have a new 15-minute candle open, so it will open low, boom, and go. I trust you. Come on, CL. We got a long history, so yeah, help me pass the account a lot quicker. Let me see the 6 contracts, how much I'll make. Oh my god, 666. And if I lose, that'll be 200 bucks, which is really good. 216, perfect. So we'll be able to take 3 to 4 more trades with like 4 risk. Like 200 bucks. So we only have a 1k trailing drawdown. Let me check the M15. Oh, we did not really trade above that. CL. Let me put on music, man. Let me do running on E. Okay, we tagged. Oh my god, I love these entries, bro. When from you get the go, you're up. This is a winner. This is a W. Trust me. Okay, let me do running on E. Okay. Getting the consequence. Make your decision. How did it get that way? Alright, I'll just keep it here. Keep this way. Make your decision. Oh, whoa, shit. Fuck, man. I'm sharing the audio screen. Oh, thank God I'm not. Thank God. I was like, shit, copyright is coming just in minutes. But thank God I'm not sharing the audio, the desktop audio, which is good. Okay. Consequences. All right. So I think I'm gonna keep this trade running, and I'm gonna go make a burger, and I'll be back. Okay. So let me just put it here. Be back. I'ma be back. You know, let's keep it formal. My friend, my dear friend. I hope you have the patience to wait for me until I make my yeah, yeah. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. What the fuck is that? Take that out of the way, bro. So I'll be back in, I'm not sure, maybe like in like 10 minutes. So I'll just do my steak, and I'm gonna be back. Either it's gonna be a stop or it's gonna be a W. Okay, so I'll do my French fries in the air fryer, and then I'll do the steak really quickly. And yeah, I'll be back in 10 minutes. So we gotta get this rolling. Let me see what's going on here with oh my god, bro, what the fuck just happened, man? Oh my god. All right, see you guys in, what is it called? All right, I think I'm gonna get oh, what the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? Paul, oh my god, Paul just fucking woke up. Fuck you, Paul. I think Paul just fucking, holy shit, bro. What the fuck, man? Holy fuck, man. Oh my days, bro. Holy shit. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, Paul, fuck you, Paul. All right, so I think my burger it's this time to cook for my burger, because I got cooked before the burger. So yeah, I got cooked way earlier, man. Oh my god, bro, I should have fucking closed that shit here. Come on, wine. Whoa, chill. What the fuck, man? I think I lost 300 bucks here. What the fuck, man? Oh my god, bro. Like 300 bucks? 278. Fuck's sake, man. Oh my god. All right, that's it. The burger. It's time for the burger now. Like, it's for real. Time for the burger. I got cooked, bro. Let me see. Was it him? Oh my god, bro. What he said? Let me check. Did you something like? What did you say? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's been going on for 7 minutes, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, let me. All right, let's see if it's gonna read my comment. All right, so we got cooked, boys. Oh, bro, don't tell me HL just shaded below the low. That would be great. Yeah, I think this. It is what it is. Oh, the M5 failed to CISD. Wow. Okay. All right. We got cooked. Okay, I'm sure now it's gonna go. Now it's gonna go. Who asked me about the 1 minute? From now on, I'm chilling 1 minute, bro. I'll take this inversion here. I'll take this inversion. I'll have to call Dodgy. Tell him if this inversion is good or not. All right. That's really it here for me, guys. I'm probably gonna clock out right there. 1 for the day, 1 and done. 2 break-evens for the day, and 2 L's. Even though like YM is not supposed to be an L, but it is an L, so I did take it. So nonetheless, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for seeing me taking an L, and if you took an L too, congrats. And see you guys. Take care. See you tomorrow. Probably tomorrow we'll do 6 a.m. too. So yeah, that's really it for today. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.